If you want to unlink your Grubhub account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device or access the Grubhub website on your computer. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. On the website, click on your name in the top right corner and select Accounts. Step 3. Access linked accounts. Look for an option that says linked accounts or social media connections. This section will show all accounts linked to your Grubhub profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on it to remove the connection. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to unlink your Facebook account. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the process. After completing these steps, your Grubhub account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for further assistance.